what happened?
Wanted. I don't understand.
Well, you know, Mr. Master, we are definitely working and operating when everything that we possibly can.
Look, working, boss man. As we tell you that woman should never get bail. We skip bail. Eh?
I wanted to change language and we put it closer upon us.
Alright, ready?
Alright, pick up and action.
Yo, right now, that woman should never get bail, you know. We skip bail. Eh?
Well, we actually have no control over that.
No, but I have to phone over food, you know. Because me do a little investigation and find out about that woman. Say that mad woman. Eh? So I don't understand.
Well, remember, you know, everyone has the right to be here. And that's a procedure. That's why I'm saying, remember, you know, we police are not magicians, you know.
Last one.
Unu should have never let that woman back on the street. Right now, I fear for my life, you know. Eh? I fear for my life.
And I understand that you're actually in fear. What are you exactly in fear of?
What you say, what? You come like say you don't see tape or whatever. Unu look on the tape, I'm saying, Bono. But the woman angry the boss, man. You come like say you don't look on it. Big man, you hear me? Right now, I'm afraid for you to for me, I don't know. You have to offer some sort of protection for me or something. If you can't catch the woman, wait, check. Now if you walk and look over my shoulder, and not even better. Right now, my neck. No, sure, I don't like how you do the work, man.
I truly understand. And speaking about protection, you know, the CIB doesn't have any capacity right now for protection at your home like that, because you cannot dispatch any officers right now. But here's something I can suggest to you. It's best we actually get private security.
No man, I tell him that man. Tell him say. But no. The best thing me suggest to you is go home, lock your door tight, and if you can button up your window, then you button them up.
Yeah, man. I don't like
Yeah, man. Yes. So, but I suggest to you is go home, lock your door tight, and if you can button up your window, then you button up and go in.
Yeah, man. And you have my number. So,
If in case you hear a little sound out there, you call me. We'll just come.
no, man. Don't tell him say if you hear no little nice. If you see her, you call me. If you hear nice, don't call me. But if you know say she or you see her face,
Call me.
call me.
Well, no, yeah, man. So tell him now what you suggest. Suggest to him now, Mila. Ready, action.
So what I would definitely suggest to you, you see? If you just go home and lock the window in one door, and button them down, seal tight.
What you tell me, say? You come like say you tell me, say, Hurricane Melissa come back here or something. Okay, my fool says you tell me. Back no house, you shouldn't reach a stage, eh? Boss man, go provide some security on my yard, no boss man. Me fear for my life, how hard is that?
I truly understand, but that's the best suggestion right now.
You don't need to take some of the police and from have a roundabout, harass the people about traffic, and make them do some work. Something like that, they might save my life.
If he could do that, he would definitely do it. I understand. But me have the advice right now. If you hear the voice, don't call me. But guess what? If you know that it's really her, and you see the red end, you can't call me.
Alright, boss, here we are going to tell him. Tell him, you know what? Never buy my machine, you know. And if you don't hear something, chop up him, you know. Nobody know gonna come ask you no question, you know. Yeah, I don't beg and go away. Ready now?